Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to confess your feelings to your crush. Confessing your feelings can be intimidating, but it can also be a really rewarding experience if done in the right way. Tip 1. Plan ahead. Before you approach your crush, it's a good idea to think about what you want to say and how you want to say it. You might find it helpful to write down your thoughts beforehand or even practice saying them out loud to a friend. This can help you feel more prepared and confident when the time comes. Tip 2. Choose the right time and place. Timing is everything when it comes to confessing your feelings. Make sure you choose a time when your crush is not in a rush or busy with something else, and try to find a place where you can have some privacy. This will help you feel more comfortable and allow your crush to really listen to what you have to say. Tip 3. Be honest and direct. It's important to be honest and direct when confessing your feelings. This doesn't mean you should be aggressive or confrontational, but rather that you should try to be as clear and concise as possible. Remember, your crush is a person with feelings and it's important to be considerate of them. Tip 4. Be prepared for any outcome. It's important to remember that rejection is a normal part of life, and there is a chance that your crush may not feel the same way about you. Be prepared for this possibility and try not to take it too personally. It's okay to feel disappointed, but it's important to move on and continue to respect your crush's feelings. Tip 5. Be kind and understanding. No matter what the outcome is, try to be kind and understanding. It takes courage to confess your feelings, and it's important to be supportive of each other. Even if things don't work out romantically, you can still be friends and support each other in other ways. Take your time, there's no need to rush into confessing your feelings. If you're not ready, or if the timing doesn't feel right, it's okay to wait. Be genuine, be authentic and genuine in your confession. It's important to be honest about your feelings and not try to manipulate or pressure your crush into feeling a certain way. Consider the implications, think about how confessing your feelings might affect your relationship with your crush, as well as any potential consequences. If you're not sure if it's a good idea, it might be helpful to talk it over with a trusted friend or family member. Keep an open mind. It's possible that your crush may have feelings for you that you weren't aware of, or that they may be open to exploring a relationship with you. Keep an open mind and be willing to have a conversation about where things might go. Respect their boundaries. It's important to respect your crush's boundaries and feelings, even if they don't feel the same way about you. If they need space or time to process, it's important to give them that space. Be confident. Confessing your feelings can be intimidating, but it's important to try to be confident. Believe in yourself and your feelings, and don't be afraid to express them. Don't make assumptions. Don't assume that you know how your crush will react or what they will say. It's important to be open to their response, whatever it may be. Be patient. If your crush doesn't feel the same way, it can be tempting to try to change their mind. However, it's important to respect their feelings and be patient. If a relationship is meant to be, it will happen in due time. Take care of yourself. Confessing your feelings can be emotionally taxing, so it's important to take care of yourself. Make sure to take breaks, spend time with friends and family, and do things that make you happy. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's okay to have feelings for your crush, but it's important not to put all your emotional energy into them. Keep an open mind and be open to other possibilities, as well. Choose your words carefully. Think about what you want to say and how you want to say it. It can be helpful to choose words that are positive and affirming, rather than confrontational or negative. Don't put too much pressure on them. It's important to give your crush space to think and make their own decisions. Don't try to force them into a relationship or put too much pressure on them to feel a certain way. Be open to feedback. If your crush has concerns or reservations about getting into a relationship with you, try to be open to their feedback. It can be helpful to have a conversation about what they are looking for in a relationship and where they see things going. Be prepared for the possibility of a friendship. If your crush doesn't feel the same way about you, it's important to be prepared for the possibility of maintaining a friendship. This can be difficult, but it's important to respect their feelings and be there for them in other ways. Keep things in perspective. Remember that there are many other people in the world and that it's okay to move on if things don't work out with your crush. It's important to keep things in perspective and not let one person's feelings define your worth or happiness. I hope these tips have been helpful for anyone considering confessing their feelings to their crush. Remember, it's important to be honest, considerate, and prepared for any outcome. Good luck, and I hope everything works out for you.